रोहित मोन्सेरात सेगीत 5वे फावट पणजेचो महापौर म्हणून वेंचून आयला, जाल्यार संजीत नाईक सेगीत 4थे फावट उपमहापौर. ह्या पदां खातीर फकत एकूच अर्ज आयिल्ल्यान दोगांय जाणांची बिनविरोध वेंचणूक. बुधवारा ह्या पदांचो ताबो घेवपाची फॉर्मालिटी जाली.
So first of all, I'd like to thank our councillors for all the support that they have given us. I'd like to also thank the people of Panjim for showing their continued faith in the corporation. Corporation has made a lot of strides in these past 5 years, both in terms of our local governance, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of a lot of other issues and everything. And we want to continue to work for the people of Panjim in this last year. So as of now, there are multiple challenges right now. Our biggest challenge now is that smart city thing. We want them to finish their work as soon as possible and to leave the city. And now their deadline is fast approaching also, so we hope they get all of their work done on time. The police and NGOs, certain NGOs last night or day before have conducted raids to remove all the beggars from our city. So we're working on a lot of things. Our municipality building, for example, now we don't have any space to move, so that building, that project is a little stuck right now. But apart from that, we made progress in all of our things. Pre-monsoon work is going on now. There should not be an issue. Now, wherever smart city work is going on, we'll have to conduct that last. But we already have a list of all the awards that we've completed. In fact, today I have a meeting with PWD and the smart city people to just review all of the flood points that they have within the city.
Firstly, I would like to thank my Honorable MLA and Minister for giving me this opportunity for the 4th time. I would like to thank Mayor and all my councillors, and especially the people from Ward number 25, from where I represent today. I am here because of those people. So I would like to have their continued support, and I am always there for them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.